Where's the...
You're good. I got through snake right
Okay.
here. It's going. What day is today?
Today is June 23rd. It's 11 a.m. We're going to do a repair attempt. This is the damaged shingle. Right here. Repair attempt. Starts here. Ends here. All right, we're going to remove the damaged shingle first.
We're using a roof stake to try to be as minimally invasive as possible.
And the nails are pulling through the shingles. Already have granules falling. See how the nails pulled through the shingle every time?
This one. You can see the granules already starting to come off.
And that one's already pulled through. All right. So now I need to go above. I can't even go. Can't even get the nail out. Lost the nail. Okay. All right. Here's the shingle. Again, you can see right here. I hadn't even hardly touched these and granules are falling off. Reinstall the non-damaged shingle.
Oh no!
Nope.
Shit. Ooh, it stopped.
All right.
You have a hammer, right?
Yeah. Getting caught on. A staple. I'm not even going to be able to high nail it there. See the granules? So damage here, there, here. Not as much up there, but a little bit.
Still have some right there.
Right here, and a little bit there.
You can also note this is a black shingle, and I would not say that looks like a reasonable appearance.
In a gated community. Here's the damaged shingles above it.